The biggest lesson I want y'all to learn is looks could be deceiving. Hey gangos, it's currently 10:15 and I'm starving. So we're about to eat breakfast, but I want to show y'all a little mini fit check or whatever before we go. Okay, fit check, literally nothing too exciting, but black crop top, jeans, and Converses. This is the fit for today. Hey, dude, I said, Grammy to me. He said, alright, y'all, come on, let's go get some breakfast for real. I just peed, even though I'm only going downstairs. I just left my room without having a case for my phone. I don't even play like that. Like, I really don't. So, we're gonna pray. So, I really wanna put the phone in my pocket so I get back upstairs. But we're YouTubers. I know. He's sleep. Security sleeping shit. So, I think it's closed. Hold on. Actually, it's not closed. Morning. And didn't I just motherfucking say I didn't want to drop my phone? Now I'm gonna see y'all when I get the fuck upstairs, because I'm pissed. I really don't want to vlogging this morning because we got a little adventure today.
Hello. Hi guys.
You're gonna see yourself on YouTube, so you better subscribe to my YouTube channel, cover. I'm
Okay.
being for real.
I do. Subscribe.
Alright. See, how you gonna subscribe and you don't even know the name?
I know. So that was the next question.
Mm-hmm.
Custom made for Shanice, only for Shanice. Made in Kenya, by Kenyans, for Kenya.
Thank you.
She's Kenyan already. You're Kenyan already. You know?
Yeah, I am.
What's your Kenyan name?
I need a Kenyan name.
Yeah, you need a Kenyan name.
What you think fit me?
First, you need a Kenyan tribe for you to get a Kenyan name.
Okay, so what should my Kenyan tribe be?
Oh, you're too light skinned, so you look like a Taita. Just a minute. How should I put it? Sometimes they're very hot tempered, just like you.
Ah.
Priscilla. Taitas like that Priscilla name.
Priscilla.
Yeah, Priscilla.
Y'all think I look like a Priscilla? As y'all can see, I just got back upstairs to my room and Kevro gave me a new name talking about Priscilla. But yeah, what I got, I'm just gonna show y'all what I got real quick. I got an espresso shake knowing damn well this be making my stomach hurt, but I'm gonna take the rest today. Also got a I'm lying, a veggie pie. I wanted chicken samosas, but they didn't have it. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later when I meet back up with the rest of the group because I'm about to call my dad. I'm such a morning person now. This is so unlike me. Ooh, y'all not ready for that. My pants look wrinkled to y'all, be honest. Cause I swear I ironed these bitches. The iron right there. It was only $14. I bought the cheapest one because when I leave, I'm leaving it here. I'm probably about to finish editing the video. Y'all, I've been looking real like cocky, muscular, and wellin'. And I don't even go to the gym. Don't even go to the gym. You know what that's called? Blessed and highly favored. No, that ass though, I really am. Maybe it's stuck with a full flow. Let me listen to that song though, cause it's stuck in my head. Little baby said, I got bad bitches, supermodels I don't even call. I'm about to go downstairs because I think Chad and Brent is downstairs. Yeah. Being here, goddamn, this shit's out of out. Being here, you gonna fucking eat this shit. Cause them bugs, them mosquitoes is way different than back in America. They're really bold, they're big, they're smart. So you need this shit. But I don't want my, ooh, that shit is strong. But I don't want my main scent to be off, to be honest. So, yeah. Y'all see my nails? Ain't really shit. My feet. I ain't showing y'all my feet because some of y'all really got foot fetish. And we ain't even gonna take it there. Yo, to be honest, we don't really know where we're going. We just know that there's a waterfall and there's a couple sites along these paths that we're trying to get to. But let me tell you something. Definitely feel like I'm wandering in the wilderness. Definitely feel like that. But maybe it's that waterfall, though.
What is that last one you saying?
Bike rental. We're at a dead motherfucking inn. And I won't even lie to you, bro. This hill just kicked on me. I'm an old gymnast, but hell no. Is this way? Is this way, right? They look, the arrow pointing that way too.
She said go this way, then hit it up. You good?
Oh?
Yeah. What you got in this bag?
My clothes, because I'm going to my sister's place after this.
Well, I thought she had hiking gear and shit in there. Yeah, I thought she had the equipment in that bag. Huh? Y'all, we're lost.
No, because you remember
That bridge is right there. This is where we walked through when we first.
this way.
We came from over there.
That group was still.
We're a little lost.
Well, because remember.
Y'all, why we back where we started? Probably just wasted like a whole 20-30 minutes. Like I said, we really walking into the wilderness.
Well, because there's a clearing over there.
Yo, I'm trying to vlog, but also pay attention because this shit trying to trick me. What's this? Yeah. Okay, vlog, hold on. Cause my safety is more important than this motherfucking video, you hear me? So I'ma hold this bitch, but can't promise that shit gonna be good.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior.
Cause look at them down there. I told y'all about my safety in the video. I do like climbing though, so it's kind of fun. Can't even lie. The faster you go, I feel like the easier it is. I had to go up that bitch fast.
I don't want to look behind till like I'm here. Now I can look behind.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe it's that waterfall.
How are you climbing up and looking back? You're gonna...
You good?
Okay, let's now go through the right way.
Cause I almost fell too. That's why I gotta go quick.
The one time we needed the arrow to point to the...
Go, bud. So y'all have like poison ivy here?
Yeah.
Ooh. This shit trying to take me out.
Hey, yo, hold on,
No, the
Chad.
cave is this way.
Should we go left?
No, the cave is this way.
We took through. We took through. One in Atlanta. Now my time.
Hey, hauling ass. Goddamn. Look at these motherfuckers. Can't even see them. My parents gave me one rule. Just make it back home in one piece. And for me, I gotta stick to my word and my promise. I feel like we're getting closer. don't know what the fuck we doing. Cameraman.
Y'all are crazy. Like on my knees, literally. I don't know how Chad is doing this.
But this shit look dope, I ain't even gonna lie. But this better not be no trap, you feel me?
No, that's what it seemed like. You know.
Yeah, some of us should stay behind me. So that in case
Like, somebody got lit and tell the tale.
Please tell me that's the end.
Go ahead.
No, I'm not interested.
She said I'm not interested.
I'm not
Okay.
interested.
Go ahead.
Period.
Yeah.
I love y'all, but no.
Okay, well, you better answer that phone.
Shit, the cameraman never does, so I'm straight.
Boy.
In this case, it works to be little.
Yeah.
Yo, where does that lead to? Is the question.
It's around.
Boy, we're not fitting.
He used to this shit.
I'm sorry, I'm not stuck. Get low to the ground.
This shit make me get low. Ooh, should have put the hair in a pony. Ooh, but this shit look cool. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh.
Oh my god. Right, so we gotta find like little. Mama. Yo. Oh my god. This is so crazy. You only live once. That's the motto, nigga. Yellow. Oh. Oh, this shit. Don't even tell me, mama. Just keep going. Keep going. Oh shit. Oh my god. What happened to Virgil? Y'all, look at you. Oh my god. Y'all.
Wait, okay, you hold my phone.
Dog, I hope that's the exit that you go. I was finna say, if this bitch 20 meters, I'ma be heated.
Yo, this is some crazy shit. That's all I gotta say. Oh, thank you. Oh, shit. I'm okay, man. Oh my god. How y'all feel about that? Thank y'all so much. Thank you, guys. Yo. What the fuck?
You did good.
We did.
You're gonna see my screen.
You start complaining. Just Harriet tucked me down.
Look, the shit that she went through under the Underground Railroad. Let's go. Keep pushing for the ancestors.
Walking through swamps. Surfwood, remember that shit?
Hell yeah, we got some shoes. We doing this shit by choice. They ain't have no choice. Let's keep it pushing. Y'all know that Jill Scott reference? Climb that hill to save my marriage, goddamn. Whoo, shit.
Aku nak people rating dan it sih.
It's like the opposite way. Stop the light because I realized I couldn't write. Oh my god. Oh, look at the bamboo. Maybe this that waterfall. Y'all.
This place is full of surprises.
No bullshit. This is so crazy. Yo, I feel like a real nature girl. If I wasn't a nature girl, I am today. I am now. I think I earned my Girl Scout badge. The biggest lesson I want y'all to learn is looks could be deceiving. Because I may look like I'm in shape, but I swear I'm not. I promise you I'm not in shape. Because this trail low-key kicking on me. Stamina down. Remember I told y'all about recording and walking on this shit? Or life is more important than footage. Yeah. Starting on top of the world. only live once. Let's come out and do your love. We about it. Y'all, I am so dirty, but it's okay. I'm gonna work out in my booty. So I'm hoping that my shit getting fat, to say the least. Yo, sun just flew on my lip. I wasn't fucking with that. At this point, y'all, the hair is up. Edges are done. We're just sitting waiting for an Uber to take us to the mall so we can eat because we're starving. That didn't work up my appetite. I'm thirsty. I'm pretty sure everybody else is thirsty. Oh my god, I had a time. I'm dirty, but you know, fuck it, we ball. Yo, we just got some mall. We're gonna eat at, I think, a place called CJ's. I don't know what Mayor is, but it's kind of weird. But we're just using the bathroom right now. But we're all thirsty. We're all starving. This is what I got. Here's this food. I realize I always forget to close on my videos. I got a dope video coming out next week. I went on a safari. I'm gonna insert a little picture right now so y'all get a little sneak peek. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really fucking with y'all, and it's clear that y'all be fucking with me. And y'all know the rule. Once you locked in, ain't no switching up.